had to make a 4-inch blast gate because I didn't want to wait for one in the mail. So basically just pull that lever and it opens up. And you shut it, shuts the air off. And it shuts it up pretty good too. It's big enough it'll just slip right over the end. So if you ever need to make one, I'm just going to run that green pipe right there. It's going to be cut right where it's bent. And then angle down to the bottom. And that's going to be for this chop saw. I try to put the dust collection down here because the wood chips seem to get down here a lot more than anywhere else. And then kind of a shroud to go around it, maybe up to here, so the dust all gets sucked back and down into the, to the pail. We'll see if all this madness works when I'm done. And over here I got my flex hose just came in. You could bend this to any shape you want. Great for like a drill press. That's hooked up there, and that's got a gate there. And that one's going to be for the bandsaw. And then I could use either one of them for this too. I just have to make a, put something where a hose attaches right here. And then I have that one, which is going to feed this machine. And probably maybe just the other one could be a vacuum hose, like that one is there. That'll reach all over the shop, that one. But that'll do that, and that'll do this too. Whenever I want to use it, I just take that off, plug it into that end, and no more dust. All right, I made some switch arounds in here. I took my miter saw off of the cart I had it on. You can move it, make it mobile wheels, kind of like that is. But it wasn't right. It took up a lot of space, actually more than this whole thing. And now I got all that storage and just better. The only problem is I can't cut real long stuff, but I really kind of don't anyway, so I don't care. But I started the dust collection back there. That's gonna be the 4-inch dust collector. I'm gonna build a shroud around this. It's gonna just kind of go, up and over. And of course on this side of the breaker box. And it goes down along there. And it comes up. I'm trying to keep my angles pretty. If there's no sharp angles, I'll be fine. And down into here. Into the trash can. And then I got it going, sucking from, up there, and that leads along, that upstairs leads along there. And then across to this one that I just got over this awesome 2.5-inch hose. And that's my gate. So I can turn it on and off when you don't need it. And then comes down to the one which I kind of like the idea of splitting them off, because you can do multiple machines. But you can use this one. This one's just kind of in there. It's not really, it's not hooked up right or nothing. I use a heat gun and I make my own fittings. You heat this pipe up and it comes really flexible, and you can make it like a lot bigger or smaller. Just with a heat gun. That's all it takes, and you can make your own fittings. So you can make everything fit, no matter what. So that feeds back to that garbage can, and then I went over and I did another one over here. Start to adjust the shop around. I'm getting there, man. It's getting better and better. But this thing is pretty cool, man. No matter which angle you put it at, it stays like that. And this card, once I move all of this shit, it's gonna be closer to this wall. So this will be able to reach over to my drill press. And whenever I'm drilling something out, I'll be able to have that right there. You know, and I can adjust it to any, you know, I can make it stand like downward like that. And this is a strong suction that comes out of here. So whatever's coming up that drill is definitely going up in there. And that's going to be the test, that one there. Planer. This one makes quite a bit of dust. That's the biggest fender. That's really not too bad. I mean, it drops it onto the floor, but it's really, you could just box in the hole underneath and put one right in the center, and then it'll be a great dust collector. So those are pretty deep. But yeah, man, this is all just drainage pipe. I wasn't going to use the Schedule 40 because that's just way too expensive. I like that it has these ends that you can just connect to, you know, little kind of flanged ends. But like I said, if you don't, you know, you don't really have to worry. You just have to have a $15 heat gun. That's all I got. A little Harbor Freight, like $11. Heated the shit out of it. Yeah, I'll have to do it sometime. But this is the blast gate I made. That's on, and that's off. If I want to use, you know, another machine, we want to be in the off. Excuse me, position. So, biggest offender of sawdust, closest to that. So that's going to really help. I really want to keep dust away from that. I mean, nice to use it this year. You know, and on top of that, I built that air cleaner. And whenever I sand in here, I use it, and it cleans it up quick. But it can get overwhelmed in here. Like, it's just not, you know. I'm working on it. So don't break my balls. But I can't wait to see this thing work. Actually, I added the old blower, the old dust collector came with these straps with bags. So I just took the straps and used them on here. You know, and holds it down pretty tight. You know. Not that it needs to be, it's vacuum, so it's going to squeeze tight when it turns on, but it's just, you know, I don't know, better than throwing them out, I guess. But they do serve a purpose, too. So that's it, guys. It's getting pretty fucking dark out there. I'm duking it out with a couple of mesquites back here. I'm winning now, I crushed a couple. Alright, peeps. I think I showed you this on my last one. I hooked that up last night. I just ran their switch just over with a couple of wires, an old extension cord I had, so I just plugged it into the back, and that was it. Nice and sturdy. My neighbor kept hitting his head on it and taking chunks of skin out of his head, so I thought maybe we'll move it up a few inches. But, oh god, it's unplugged now. God damn it. I'll go blow my show like that. It's fucked up. Alright guys, I'm just messing. Just having a few of these, that's all. So the next time you see it in here, it's not going to be... hard to see, but man, it's sucking all this shit out.